Pradeep, yesterday not at all respond.
I think I responded yesterday.
No, I have not responded actually.
I think the mic was kept at. I think I had chosen a different mic for the. I didn't test the speaker and the microphone before the meeting.
What's your percentage you got, Pradeep?
In which subject?
CBSE total.
I don't know the total. I didn't see the total.
Okay. In math, how much you got? Tell me.
88%, 82%, somewhere around there.
Good.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Harish.
Good
Harish,
afternoon, sir.
where is this guy?
Arya, sir.
Arya has to join. Total 11 members is there yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Less than more comfortable. Janani, respond.
Sir?
Yesterday, you understand what are the questions you have done?
Yes, sir.
Because I'm going to solve volume questions today. Okay. Yesterday, what question you asked? Which question you asked me yesterday? Level 4th question, right? Harish?
Yes, sir. Level 2, fourth question. But I got it, sir. I got it.
Yeah. Because Janani, look at you have a volume, Janani.
Sir?
You have a volume, Janani. Volume is there.
Yes, sir, I have.
Look at Janani. The volume, second question.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Why are you late?
Sir, no. I was joining the class, joining early at became 12 cents. My fault, sir. Next time I'll join 11:55 only.
Fine. Okay. They're asking us to find Dorset form. Dorset form of the given equation. Dorset form of the given equation means you have to solve this given equation. Roots are there or not. You know how to split the middle down, finding the roots. 6 1 or 6 means we'll let as 3x minus 2x minus 3. Am I right? Say yes or no, Anaga?
Yes, sir.
What's the values of x we'll get here? The possible values of x. Minus 3 comma. So the Roster form is nothing but listed all the elements. Minus 3 comma. Janani, look at.
Yes, sir.
Look at the third question of your volume.
A equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 in set builder form.
There's a fourth question. I'm doing third question now.
Good question.
So you're doing volume questions, right?
Level 1, third question.
Okay, sir.
Jocelyn, you're solving the remaining questions of volume.
Yes, sir. Many are easy, sir.
Solve relations questions, not sets. Sir. Today solve the relations questions, all of you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
2n is not belongs to x. 2n means what's the value of n? 2n means n equal to 3, it will be belongs to, right? If n equal to 4, 2n will be how much? 8. It does not belongs to x. N equal to 5. So n equal to what's the values here now? 4, 5, 6. Understand?
Sir, we can take only 5 and 6 also, no, sir?
5, 6 we can't take, right? 4 also we can't take.
Okay, sir.
Why? Because if you take 4, how much will you get? 8 or not? 8 is not there in the set.
Yes, sir.
That's why 5 also we can't take.
But in option 2, only 5 and 6 is also there, so we can take that also, no, sir?
No, no. Only 5, 6 we can't take. 4, 5, 6, the set very clearly. 2n does not belongs to x. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Among all these numbers, from 4, 5, 6 numbers, x equal to 1 you can take. How much will get? N equal to 1 means
2.
is there, right? Belongs to. N equal to 2, n equal to 3 also it belongs, but 4 onwards is not belongs to. You have to find all the numbers which does not belongs to, not only
Okay, sir.
some particular numbers. Not all.
Sir, in relation only Cartesian product and domain and range is there, no, sir?
Yes. Cartesian product and domain and range.
Okay, sir.
So till where you have to do that? Till 14th question you have to do. Okay. Relations till 14th question you have to do. Yeah. Next, Janani, look at the question number 5. Janani,
Sir,
question number 5 you can see a moment. Question number 5. Janani. Question number 5. Mubasir,
A equal to x by x.
Yes, sir.
Let
Mubasir,
accountancy.
you were there right before when my classes are there.
Yes, sir. I was there.
They're asking which is the non-empty set. It is a which following set is not empty set. Is the first set? First one is empty set or not?
Sir, 1 second.
1 less than x less than natural number. Between 1 to 2, tell me any natural number.
One.
Between 1
Between
and 2. Between
not
1
there,
and 2,
sir.
natural number. It's not there. That's why it's an
Nothing
empty
is
set,
there.
right? That's why empty
Yes,
set.
sir. Yes, sir.
Let me understand. So B set the given.
Yes, sir.
Root 2 is irrational number or not? Which type of number root 2? Irrational number.
Irrational, sir.
But there given is a rational number. Thus it is also empty set. Third one. Even prime number. Even prime number greater than 2. Anyone in the class? What's even number? Even prime number greater than 2?
Null, sir, no.
No, prime number is even, sir, greater than 2.
Next step. X square equal to 0 and x is an integer. X is an integer. So tell me, x square equal to 0 means what's the value of x equals to 0 or not?
Only 0.
X equal to 0 means 0 is an integer or not? So it is non-empty set. They're asking which of the following is empty set or which of the following is not empty set. Understand? Generally understand, Anu?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Is it a new student? Ali Jain Khan? Are you new student? Jain Khan? Hello? Hitesh? You can talk with Hitesh, no problem. Hitesh, you are the new student, Hitesh?
Yes, sir.
When you have joined? Hello?
It's 1 month ago.
1 month ago is not a new student. Yes. Yesterday or last week, anyone joined, they are the new students. Okay, 1 month ago. Fine. Look at 7th question of journey. This week, compulsory the last this model question. In your college, total how many members are there? Yes.
300 students.
Very good. Total number 300 students. Every student read how many newspapers?
Five, sir.
Very good. Every newspaper is read by 60 students. Every student is read 5 newspapers. Now the second condition given, every newspaper 60 students. Then the asked us to find the total number of newspapers or how many newspapers are there. Total number of newspapers. Total number of newspapers. Let me take X is the total number of newspapers. I'll repeat again. We will take X is the total number of newspapers. Understand? So if X is the total number of newspapers, every student read how many newspapers here? Sorry, every newspaper is read by how many students? 60 students or not? According to the condition, every newspaper is read by 60 students. The total number of newspapers are asking. What's the total number of students? 300. Into each student read 5 newspapers. Total newspapers are 1500 newspapers. They will total, each newspaper read with 5 students means X equal to 6 times. How many times cancel? 6 3s are 6 2s are
25, sir.
total newspapers 25 newspapers. Not a lot of you. Harish, if you have finished solving these questions, you please solve relations questions.
Yes, sir. Solve.
Next, this ninth question also important model. Null set. The asking us to find power set. Power set means total number of subsets are not. How many elements are there inside? Tell me. 2 or not? Total number of subsets are how many you will get here now? 5. Okay, sorry, this is all set will be. Nothing this is total 4. 4 subsets. 4 subsets. Anaga, you people, you know this, right? Jocelyn, Jnanamai,
Sir, there's a 2 per n formula, no, sir.
you can
Yeah.
apply 2 power. Yes, yes. 2
Yes.
square. There is only applied. 2 square 4. Janani, understand Janani?
Yes, sir.
Question number 13. Pradeep, do you have a question number 13, Pradeep?
Hmm?
Question number 13, Pradeep, in volume. The given f of 16 intersection f of 40 equal to f of x, where f of n is the set of all factors of whole numbers. So we need to find all the 16 factors here now. For the 16 factors, Pradeep,
16 factors are 2 to the power 4. 2 into 2
2,
into 2.
4, 8, correct? And 16 itself, correct? F of 16 intersection. Tell me what are the 40 factors?
2,
2,
4, 5,
5 also come, okay, 5, 8,
8, 10,
6, not
8.
8, 10,
40.
that's all right.
20, 40, 20, 40.
20, 45, 20. The intersection will be what here? 2, 4, 8, correct?
So shouldn't we
Intersection,
take one also?
you can take one also, but if you take one,
They said
It
not to
will be
include, sir.
counted as a member.
no,
But they said not to include.
it is. But one is not the given. The number itself you don't take. Is that right? Including n itself, but not one. They said very clearly one don't take. That's why one we will not take. Understand, Anaga?
Yes, sir.
2, 4, 8. Now they're asking us to find f of x. So f of x means 2, 4, 8 is a factors of what?
8.
Factors of this answer. Okay. This 14 question also. Three and greater than 7n. Correct? 3 and greater than 7n. Tell me, what's the 3n will get? 3, 6, correct or not? What's the 7n will get? 7, tell me what's the intersection here? Anyone? What is the intersection between these
21n.
So from 21.
two? Yes, 21. And next, all the 21 factors you will get actually, correct?
42.
42,
42 and then 63.
all 21 factors. So this way you let you know. The thing that 21 into L. The common factors. Directly also can write this intersection. 3, 7, 21. Only the factors of 21 will get. Next question. Janani, you only have to understand or not, you can check. Tell me, please. Okay.
Okay, sir.
15th question can see more. Is a set of all what they given? Divisors of 15, right? Tell me, divisors of 15 what? Anyone? 15
3 and 5.
3 and 5.
divisors of 15. A set of all the divisors of 15. 3 and
5.
5. So 3 comma 5. Correct? What's the B they're given?
Prime numbers less than 10.
Prime numbers lesser than 10 or less than or equal to 1 less than. Okay. Then it will no problem. 10 is not prime number. So less than prime numbers 10 means 10, 2,
2, 3,
3,
5, and 7.
5 and 7. C equals to what? Even numbers smaller than even numbers smaller than 9. Even numbers
2,
smaller
4,
than
2,
6,
4,
and 8, sir.
6, 8.
2, 4, 6, 8. That's all. They're asked us to find A union C intersection B. What's the A union C? 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5, 6, 8. Very good. Is the intersection with? So what's the common numbers? 2, 3 or not?
So 5 also.
5 also, sir.
Oh, this is there. Okay. Correct, correct. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. The common numbers are 2, 3.
Sir, divisors of 15 is nothing but factors of 15, no?
Divisors. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Factors. Yes, yes.
So, in factors, why are we ignoring 1 and the number itself?
Because 1 and 15 will be always factors or not? Other than 1 and 5.
Yes, sir, but it's
Other
still a
than 1 and
factor.
15. No, other than 1 and 15. So generally 15 is divided by 15, correct? You get the remainder 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
So if you want, you can take the number.
So, whenever they ask factors, like we don't have to write 1 and 15.
No need to write that. Divisors of 15, they said you can write simply 3 and 5.
Okay, sir.
So, but in this question, if we take 1 and 15 also, we get the same answer because
Same answer.
Yes,
that's
sir,
not
because
included.
it's not there in any other.
Generally, we will no need to take that. You see, the previous question they mentioned, don't take 1. If they're not, if they mention particularly, don't take. Otherwise, if you take also, it doesn't matter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
70. If 71 we will do, it will cover for both 16th and 17th same. Look at general 17th one. Because others they know about minus here. You have to know about this minus. Okay. Generally, look at generally. You write as a notes here now. If A and B are two sets, how to find A minus B? The meaning of A minus B is X. X belongs to the number will be in the A, but not in B. Understand?
Understood, sir.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1 comma 2.
3, 4, 5, sir.
Yeah. The common numbers are 1, 2. Then what's the remaining numbers? 3, 4, 5. Remember that this is A minus B. The also we can write as A by B. I can write as A by B. So that is why the last us to find the amount A divided by A by B. This is actually A by B. Don't try to cancel this A and all, okay? A divided by what we got here now? 3, 4, 5. Again we'll apply. A is what here? 1, 2, 3 minus what's the value? 1, 2, 6, 7. Which option would be satisfied? Again, 5 A intersection would be A union B. Where is this one satisfied? What's the value of A by B? About 3, 4, 5, 6, we should write that. What is the A minus B? Anyone? No one is observed that. What's the A minus B here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6.
That's A set we wrote down. The A set in the A set we have a 6 also. So that's a 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 3, 4, 5, 6. So what the A minus B are 1, 2. It is nothing but
A intersection B.
there's the answer. No. Finish done? Look at the 18th question now. Everyone in the class, look at the 18th question. All. Tell me what you got. What is given?
18th, sir.
18th one. 18th question. Is it set of all? What's
A
it
is
given?
the set of non-negative integers. So positive
Yes.
integers.
Non-negative
I is the
integers.
set. Yes, a positive.
It's a set of all non-negative integers. What's the meaning of non-negative integers? From where I have to start?
From 1,
0.
sir.
What's the I they given?
Set of all integers.
Set of all the integers. Next.
Set B is negative integers. Non-positive is negative.
Set B. Set B as what is given? Non-positive integers. Non-positive integers means all the negative integers are not. Correct? Next,
E set is all the even integers.
even
Two,
integers
four,
means no. Even integers means -4, -2, 2,
Just 0 also, no, sir?
0 also. Next P. Prime numbers, right? Set of all prime numbers means what will get the prime numbers here now?
Sir, how are we taking 0, sir? 0 is neither even
Zero
nor
is
odd.
Neither
yeah,
even
it's
nor
not
odd.
even neither odd. Yeah.
I'll explain it. Tell me, what's the P that given? First P, well, look at P. What's the P? Set of all?
Prime numbers.
Tell me, prime numbers means from where it will start?
2, 3, 5, 7.
Right?
Up to infinity, sir.
Infinity. Because prime numbers, we don't have that last number, right? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the ask us find check the given values. The given values means, for suppose the first one I minus a equal to b, they're given. I minus a equals to b. Okay. And second one again, we will check one value. Which value will be satisfied? We will check that. What's the value of I
The
minus a?
second option no directly will get.
Second option. What is the second option? A intersection b equal to 5.
Second option, I think so. Because A is positive, B is negative, so it'll intersection is negative.
A is what, set of all non-negative integers, right? And B is a set of all non-positive. Non-positive means.
Yes, sir.
But yes, the thing is, non-negative, non-positive means we should include 0 also. Because 0 is either non-negative or non-positive, right?
Only 0 will be the intersection, sir.
Yeah. Understand, Anaga?
So here we have to include 0.
0 will be non-negative integer. It will be coming under the
Okay.
positive integers, it will be coming under the negative integers. That's the
Yeah,
second
okay.
one will be this A intersection B, we have the 0 here. It is not equal to 5. Correct? And what about E intersection P? Will be at least one number 2 is there,
So
right?
2 will come. Yeah.
So that's why it is also not 5. Either it may be first option or fourth option, right? We'll check that first option or fourth option. What's it? I minus a. If you subtract all the 0, 1, 2, 3 from here now, what's the remaining numbers I'll get? Okay, I'll see.
Minus infinity and all.
I minus a means from all the I values. Means
From
for
all
the
integers, you have to
integers,
subtract all
if you
non-negative
subtract that,
You
integers.
will get all the
non-negative
negative integers,
All negative integers will come, sir.
all the negative integers will get.
which is equal
True,
to
sir.
B.
True, sir. B, which is equal to B.
No. In the B, we have included 0 also or not?
Yes, sir, 0 is there.
So that's why it's not. Understand? Jocelyn.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, understood.
Now, what else is there only? Fourth one. A
So fourth
symmetric.
one only, it's correct only.
Check the options, fourth one or not. If 3 options are wrong, compulsory fourth is an option. Check the answers.
Yes, sir, fourth one.
Yes, sir, fourth one.
But you know how to find a fourth one.
Yes, sir. A symmetrical difference B, that is minus
Yeah.
infinity to plus infinity
minus B
without
union?
0.
B minus A.
B minus A. A minus B means we'll get what is the numbers we'll get? -3.
Only A.
All the negative integers, correct? A minus B. Oh, sorry. A minus B.
Sir, it's the other way opposite.
Yes, sir.
One second.
Sir,
Maybe
one-
all positive.
Was it A minus B?
All
Positive.
positive integers.
All positive integers,
All
sir.
positive. 1, 2, 3. Union. B minus A, all the negative integers, right?
Except 0, right? Correct, sir.
So this is nothing but all the numbers minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, except 0. So that's why except 0. From the I, except 0. Yeah, right on. Jeremy, understand, Amma? Jeremy, do you understand, or you want me to explain again? Or now, are you understand?
Yes,
Or
sir.
now? I don't know how many members have remembered these points. Long back, at that time I have remembered strongly. Pradeep asked me on Saturday, give me all the formulas, means I've given all the formulas. All the set of formulas I've given. You remember these formulas? Pradeep? You remember I've given all these formulas?
Sir, I asked for the formulas.
Yes, sir.
One Saturday I've given all these formulas. Janani, please note it down these formulas, all of you. Janani,
Yes, sir, I'm noting it.
anyone knows this form? Anyone in the class? Enough A minus B. How to write as? Anyone?
N of A minus A intersection B.
Enough A minus,
A intersection.
or this can also be written as N of A intersection B complement. Anaga, understand, Anaga, these formulas I've given?
Yes, sir, you have given.
Forgot, I think. Tell me enough B minus A.
Same thing. N of B minus N of A intersection B.
N of A intersection B. N of B intersection A complement. N of B intersection A complement. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
If you understand these points, I've given long while. Jocelyn,
Sir?
you understand these points, right? Janavai?
Yes, I understood.
Sir, could you explain the complement one, sir?
This is, will say only A, or you will say only B. See, the meaning of complement, yes. This is A and B. If you can write A minus B, that's the meaning of A minus B. You take only A. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So does it meaning B, we were never taking the B. That's total from N of A, we have subtracting the N of A and A intersection B. Correct? At the
Yes,
same
sir.
time, we can also be written as A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. So what's the meaning of B complement? Yes, I'm right. This is B means the B complement will be what? Other than B, all the numbers are not.
Okay, sir.
This is called B complement or not? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because we are not taking B at all. Understand? So
Yes,
that's
yes.
we can add A intersection B complement. You know everybody about the complements is clear the concept? Complements
Yes,
concept.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, B intersection A complement. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Not enough. Yeah, you try to solve the questions now. Yeah, my another check my network is which signal it's showing? White color or
White only, sir.
white only? Yeah, okay, fine. Because of that network issue, now I'm keeping my video on or off.
Yes, sir. Maybe your network server is on. So whenever network bandwidth decreases, video turns off, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Varsha joined just now. Varsha, you are from which? Hello, Varsha, respond.
Sir, 2 versions, sir.
No, no, one ID only she joined again. Varsha, you are from which branch, Varsha? No, not responding. Okay.
No response.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, the second formula that you gave, it is minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection A.
Intersection
Sir. You've
C,
written
it is C.
the, yes,
Intersection
sir,
C.
you've written the same thing.
Very good observation. There's a B intersection C. Correct or not, GV? Who said this is? Jocelyn?
Me,
Huh?
sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Good observation. Yeah. Now, these are all the questions once I have done already, but we will do one more time because some new students are there, right? For them it will be useful. N of A symmetry B. Janani, look at this. Read this, Janani. We can call as what? symmetric
Symmetric.
difference. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we will need symmetric difference. The symmetric difference form is n of a minus b plus n of b minus a. N of a minus b means, look at in the top I've given the formula. From the total n of a so we'll substitute the values 50, 50 is the answer. Someone they're joining and they're going and joining.
That Varsha only, she joined and she left, sir.
Jivika Reddy also, I think just now she's joining again because of the
Yes.
network issues.
Yes, sir.
maybe. This Ali Jain Khan, can you respond? Okay. No, no, no. Janani, you understand? I think this is questions we have done already, but we will discuss 24th one. Janani, look at 24th question, Janani. Which is the 24th question in your book? I think she has the network issue, I guess.
So page number.
Page number 6, sixth one. Jnanava, you have done that question, sixth one. Sorry, 24th question.
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, I actually missed the classes of sets, sir, when you were teaching.
Oh. Then you know how to find A minus B and all.
I learned, sir. Only A, which is including in A, not in B.
No, not in B. Fine, fine. Okay. See, in a survey, 400 students in a school. In a school, total how many students are there? 400 members. 100 were listed taking apple juice. Apple juice I can keep as capital A. 100 were taking as apple juice. 150 are taking as what is it? Orange juice or not?
Yes, sir.
We'll write as 150 orange juice.
Sir,
And 75 listed are taking both apple and orange juice. Correct?
Orange.
Then how many students were taking neither apple juice nor orange juice? Neither nor. Neither apple juice nor orange
We should
juice.
find A union, I mean apple union orange juice complements, sir.
Yeah, means actually Rasmus find neither nor, right? So A complement intersection.
B complements, sir.
Then one second. Jnanamai, do you know how to find the complement? You are not sure about the complement, right?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Because I'll explain some questions. Okay, don't worry now. Let me finish these questions, after that I'll explain. Yeah, see.
Yes, sir.
They're asking us to find the total number of students who wants that neither and nor. Remember that neither nor means you have to apply A complement intersection B complement.
Okay, sir.
Yes, this it can also be written as n of A union O means this orange juice. Okay, whole complement. Look at what's the difference from here to here. You have observed that
Sir.
this intersection is become what?
Union.
Sir,
Union. Why? Because complement is there. Yes. Someone is call me.
yes, sir, yes, sir. This question is easier if we do it Venn diagram, right?
Yeah, you can use that Venn diagram also, but they are the new now. That's why I'm not studying the Venn diagram. Okay. N of A union orange whole complement. Okay. Now look at here now. Anywhere you're going to be find the complement of a set, complement of any set, we'll write universal set minus the given set. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Janamai? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's why universal set minus the given set. Orange. Universal set means what's the total number of students in the college, in the school?
400.
N of A. (400) minus. What is the N of A? 100.
N of A is 150, sir.
Correct or not? Yeah. N of A is 100 or not?
100. N of O is 150.
Yeah. 400. 250 it is. 250 minus 75.
175.
175, huh?
Yes, sir.
So 400 minus 175.
225.
This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me solve some questions based on complements also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Generally, do you understand? I don't know. So, sir, Janani is not responding because of some internet issue. Janamai, you have a textbook, is there inside textbook?
Yes, sir.
Look at exercise 1.5, I guess it will be completely based on complements, or 1.5 or 1.4.
1.5, sir.
Yeah. 1.5, right? Yes, sir. Yeah. You choose any one question randomly and tell me. Complement, we will do that. Exercise 1.5. Even I have also textbook. Let me see that. Exercise 1.5. Yeah. Look at in the first question they're given 6 bits they're given, right? In the first
Yes,
one.
sir.
You choose randomly any 3 bits, I'll explain that.
6 bits, sir.
6th one, okay.
Third.
Third one.
First.
Next.
5th, sir.
5th one you want. Okay. First, let me explain the third one. Third one, they're asking us to find A union C whole complement. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, just now we have done the same way. A union C whole complement means here they're not asking N, just they're asking us to find A union C whole complement. That's why universal set minus A union C. Okay? Universal set minus. What is the universal set they given? Tell me here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
till 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus, you know how to find A union C here now?
Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8.
Till 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct?
5
or
is not there. 5 is not there, sir. Oh,
A union C.
Okay, okay. I see A and B.
A
Yes,
union
sir.
B, not A union C. 5 is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you're going to be find the complement here, now we have to subtract these two sets from the universal set, right? So
Yes, sir.
from 1, 2, 3, 4 till 6 we have to subtract or not?
Yes, sir. 7, 8, 9.
Then if still 7, 8, 9, that's the answer. Understand now?
Yes, sir.
Third one is over means now fifth one you ask me, right?
Yes, sir.
A complement, whole complement. First we'll find
Yes,
A
sir.
complement. It will be A always.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Next, question number 6 one you can see. They're asking B minus C whole complement, right?
Yes,
Does
sir.
it meaning from the universal set what you have to subtract?
B minus C.
Very good. We'll find first B minus C here now. So to find the B minus C, what's the B set?
2, 4, 6, 8.
C will be
3, 4, 5, 6. So B minus C will be 2, 8, sir.
no, we'll leave 4, 6 also is there. 2, 8, correct?
Yes, sir.
What's the universal set from where to where?
1 to 9.
So we have to subtract 2 and 8 also, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the remaining numbers? 1,
3, 6, 7, 9.
because 8 is there. That's all about complement of a set.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now is it clear the concept?
Yes, sir.
Janani, for you?
Clear, sir.
Fine. Janani, please try to respond in the class, Janani. Okay.
Okay, sir. I had a network issue before, sir.
No, that's what I can understand. That maybe that network issue is there. Now we will do the exercise 2. First question. Look at Jnanabai first question. This is remaining students have done already. Two finite sets have m comma n elements. Correct? Set A has how many elements? Set B has how many elements? N elements. The total number of subsets of the first set is 56 more than the total number of subsets of second set. How to find the total number of subsets, Jnanabai?
2 power m minus 1, sir.
Total number of subsets. Tell me 2 power?
M minus 1.
No, not
So
minus
that is
1.
proper sets.
There's a proper set.
Okay.
Okay. That's why 2 power m only we can say the total number of subsets. Here total number of subsets are how many are there? 2 power m. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, according to the condition, what's it given? The total number of subsets of the first set is
56
Ah.
more than.
56 more than the second set.
Yes,
Correct or not?
correct, sir.
Look at I'm writing. Equal to
56.
correct or not? Now let's look at Jnanabai. To find out the m comma n values, I'm doing this thing here now. I will take 2 power n common here. If you take 2 power n common, what do you get?
2 power
Correct or
n
not?
by 2 power n. Yes, sir.
This can also be written as
2 power m minus
M
n
minus n.
minus 1.
here. See, this 56 now I'm going to write as prime factors. This 56 I've
2
only
cube
written
into
as one prime
7.
factors. What's the prime factors of 56 will write as?
2 cube into
cube.
7, sir.
2 cube into 7.
So 7 is 2 cube minus 1.
2 cube into 7. Correct? Yeah,
Yes,
correct,
sir.
Ananda. But Jnanamay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Janani, what about you?
Yes, I understood.
See, now this 7 is there, right? This 7. This 7, what I will write? Why I'm writing also, I will tell. 8 minus 1. So again, I will write this is 2 cube into 2 cube minus 1. 8 will write as 2 cube. Now look at, if you can compare both sides, 2 power n, 2 power 3. Does it mean n equal to how much?
3.
3 or not? And 2 power m minus n is there, here 2 power 3 is there again. That's why m minus n equal to how much I write?
3.
3. N equal to how much we have?
N is equal to 3, sir.
Then n is 6. N is 6, sir.
That's the answer.
Yes.
They're asking us for m comma n values. The value of m check once all of you. Understand it, Jnanamay?
Yes, sir.
Jocelyn? I think, Jocelyn, we have done this question 2 times, 3 times, I think, in the class that time, right?
Yes, sir. I only asked you, sir, for this.
Yes,
Once even I asked you, sir.
Yes, yes. That's why this time everyone should get 100 out of 100 marks in math, whatever exam is there. That's all. Okay. Correct or not? If you not get 100
Yes,
out of 100 also, at least you should get the 90, 95 above, you have to get the marks. Here and there, small mistakes, if you do, we can't do anything, but everyone must do you perform well.
Sir, 90 above, that is better, no, sir. 95
Yeah.
above means like only for one question wrong. Scope is there.
Okay, 90 above you can try. But always aim for that best marks, like 100 out of 100. If you aim for 100,
Yes, sir.
then
We'll
definitely,
aim, we'll,
if you aim for 100 marks, definitely you will get that 96, 97.
yes, sir, that's the
Somewhere
problem.
else.
You'll aim for 100, you'll get somewhere around 95. If you aim for 95, you'll get somewhere around 90.
That's what. If you aim for 95 and all, you'll get only 85, 87. You will do the mistakes. If you aim for 100, then definitely you'll get 95 above. Yeah.
Sir, 95 above means we can get only 96, no, sir, because one question is 4 marks.
That's one question is 4
Sir.
marks. Correct, correct.
Yes, sir.
One question is 4 marks only. For suppose you are writing that 25 questions, right? This 25 questions, you can answer all the 25 out of 25. You'll get 25 into 4 is 100. Correct? For suppose if you 26th question, if you do wrong, how many marks you lost?
4,
So
sir.
5,
96.
sir.
5.
5,
Yeah,
sir.
5.
The negative
Understand or not?
mark is there. That means minus 1 is also there.
Minus 1 and 4 marks you lost for the question. Okay. That's why don't answer the question. If you don't know the question, don't answer that. If you're not at all sure with that question, it may be 2 questions or 3 questions also, no problem. Don't answer that. You write only the questions which you know first. Either it may be math or physics or chemistry, whichever the questions you know, that only you have to answer first. Okay? Don't take at all risk. Either it's an advanced question or mains questions. If you write simply all the questions, last year some people, some students they were doing the same thing. 25 could out of 25, they will write. So they will get all minus 30 marks, minus 20 marks. These are marks they will get. Why? Because whatever the question they will write, maybe it's wrong questions. Wrong questions will go for the 80 marks or not.
Yes, sir.
Very bad it is. Don't write.
Yeah,
Now
I'll
question
attempt
one.
all of them.
Just attempt the questions. If you attempt 20 questions also properly without any mistake, 24 or 80 marks. Each subject 80 marks means 240 marks. It is very good score. 240 marks means. Look at this
Sir,
fourth
but
question.
some questions it will also go in fluke, sir. We
No,
don't know the
no,
answer also.
they will not give the question like what directly you will apply the formula and you'll get. Simple trick they will give. The trick you have to solve properly so that you'll get the correct answer. Because whatever the mistake, if you do that mistake, whatever answer you'll get, the same answer will be there. So you will get tempted and you'll keep that answer there. I got the answer means. But actually it is a mistake. Why? Because a small trick they will give in the question.
It's the most common mistake which everyone will make, and that option they'll give, sir, with the correct
That you got
answer.
to know. The small, very small trick they will give. That you have to find it properly. But in the sets case, they will
Sir,
not give.
what they do is that they'll take volume questions, sir. In that they'll add one more point. They'll say that the answer is like represented in K by 12 or something.
Then,
Find
K
K.
by
Yes,
12.
sir.
Yes,
In
So,
yes,
advanced
yes.
exam,
that
only
is a
that
twist,
model
sir.
questions will come.
Yes,
The
yes.
answer is
Correct.
represented in K by 12 to find the
Correct,
value of
correct.
K.
Yeah.
And K is always some integer number, sir.
You remember that day? I have remember one question. They asked us to find the domain. We got the domain actually the value. Everyone know how to find the domain. Domain they got -3, 2, but they asked us to find what is the midpoint of this. You remember? This is one question we got last time.
Yes, sir.
Advanced question. You are finding the domain. Generally, we know how to find the domain of the given question. After finding the domain, they ask us to find the midpoint of this. Like they will ask, what is the midpoint of this? What is the length of this interval? Simply they will change that. That you have to
So
find
what
it.
is the midpoint?
Which one? Add
Sir,
both the
could you-
numbers by 2.
Oh,
That's only midpoint, right?
yes.
You should add both the numbers and divide by 2. Like, careful, they will give this model questions. Look at the fourth question now. This is last time also they given this question, this fourth question. But last time this fourth question when they given the value of n divided by some value they will give. N divided by 135, 144, something they'll give. Okay. Look at it now. This is so many times. This also I explained, but for new students I'll explain this. They're given A1, A2, so on, AN are 30 sets. How many sets are given? 30, na? 30 sets. Each set with how many elements?
5.
5 elements.
With 5 elements each.
5 elements each means A1 has how many elements?
5 elements.
5. A2 has
5.
A30 has
5.
Now my question is, what's the total number of sum of all the elements of A1 to A30?
6.
How much?
150.
150. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Janmai, do you understand what's the question I asked?
Yes, sir.
Here 5 elements. Here 5 elements. Here also 5 elements. Sum of all the elements will be how much? 150 or not?
Yes, sir.
Keep remember that later we will use. Now about the B they said. B1, B2 up to so on Bn. These are also n number of sets. This is n sets. Each having how many elements?
3.
3 elements. So the sum
Means-
here will be 3n.
3n.
Yes, very good. Sum will be 3n. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now they're given one condition here. Union. Union means remember that indirectly they're given union or nothing but sigma. Okay. Sigma means sum of all the numbers are not. Bj equal to S. Capital S are given. But about the S they mention here now. What's the S they mention? If each element of S belongs to exactly. Tell me S is what?
10 of the AIs and exactly
10
9
of
of BJs.
EIs and 9 of BJs. Means among these 3n elements, 9 elements will be there in the S set. Among these 150 elements, 10 elements are there in the S set. Then they're asking us to find n equal to what? Then they're asking us to find what's the value of n equals to. Understand? This is a question. Let me explain the question now. First, let me write that given data, what we wrote the given data, right? Yeah. First, S equals to, I will take here now. First, sum of all I equal to 1 to 30 AI. Okay. So 1 to 30 AI means, tell me, in AI, how many elements are the total? Each set has
30.
A1 plus A2 plus up to so on A30. Each set has 5 elements. Now I want to find out the total number of elements in the S set. This is total 150, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But this is sum of all the numbers. I want to find that each set of S is containing how many elements? 10 AS or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Each set of S is containing how many elements? 10 AS or not?
Yes, sir.
So that's why you say I am finding n of S. Okay,
15.
this n of S is nothing but 150 divided by each is how much? 10 or not? How much I'll get here now?
15.
Everyone, do you understand this? Jnanamai,
So once again, could you explain, sir?
this is you understand? Huh?
Yes, sir.
This is left hand side, right? Right hand side, how many elements are there? 150.
Yes, sir.
Correct? That is equal to how much they're given?
Okay, 10 AIs.
Yes or not?
Yes, sir. So you're dividing this. Sir.
In S, how many elements are there?
10 AIs.
10 A's. That's why I want to find the total number of elements in the S set. So 150 divided by 10 or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why you got how much here now? 15.
15.
N of S is 15. Similarly, S equals to union Bj. Tell me S equals what will write?
3n by 9.
Yes. S equal to total here 3n elements. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now each S is containing how many Bj's?
9.
9 of them.
That's why
So
N of
3
S
n by
equals
9. N by 3.
3n by 9 or n by 3. Okay, n by 3 can write. So
Sir?
now the given this both are equal.
So then we can say 150 equal to 3n, sir.
That's what 150. Yes, we write here now. 150 by 10 means how much we got here now? 15, right? 15 equals to
N by 3.
n by 3. N equal to the cross multiply. 15 3
45.
because they're only given equal, right? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Please write on this. This questions also, this concept they'll ask. Janani, understand, Aman?
So
Good.
So why can't we say 150 equal to 3n?
150 equal to 3 and we can't say. 150 equals to what here? 150 equals to sum of all the sets. Right or not?
Yes, sir.
But what you're going to be find here now, they're not given S directly. S they're not given. S is what's it given again? What's it given? S equals to
A1 plus A2 plus A3 till A30.
no, look at here now. S equal to A1 plus A2 plus 1 A30. But what's the S generally S equal to what they said again? The continuous question they said actually S equal to what they said? S contains what? 10 of
10 of AIs and
yes,
9 of
9 of
BJs.
Bj's, right? That is S,
Yes, sir.
not directly S equal to not this value 150. S equal to not 150. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Jnanama, you want to ask this question, right?
No, sir. Jocelyn.
Jocelyn, sorry, Jocelyn, S equal to not direct 150. Understand? In
Okay,
S,
sir.
we have a total 150 elements. Among the 150 elements, 10 of the elements from 10 of AIs are there. Okay,
Yes, sir. I understood.
that's right. No, none of you.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Please, everyone. Others also finish or not, you can say. Journey, understand, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Chalo then, we'll close the class. Huh? Tomorrow we'll discuss again.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Raghav. Take care.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.